A common shape that you guys have been dealing with all year, especially in our last volume unit, was a rectangle. Rectangles are considered quadrilaterals because they are a closed shape with four straight lines. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're a type of parallelogram. Why? Because the opposite sides are parallel, meaning if I look at this line on the top right here and I extend it farther, as far as I can, it will never cross that bottom opposite line. So those lines are parallel. Remembering we denote parallel, meaning we mark that something is parallel using an arrow. However, there's something special about the rectangle that is unique from other parallelograms. All of the angles in the rectangle are 90 degrees. They're called right angles. You guys have learned this before in 4th grade. We denote that with our little box telling me that that's a 90-degree angle. And all of the angles in a rectangle are 90 degrees. However, something we didn't talk about yesterday that we should have, but it brings up a good point now. In parallelograms, especially when they have matching angles, opposite sides are equal in length, meaning that they match. This is true because if the sides did not match in length, but there were only 4 lines, eventually it would create non-parallel lines. I'm going to show you what I mean. If this box right here was extended out to here, so that means this line went away and we had to connect like this line right here is eventually going to cross its opposite line and therefore not be parallel. In order to ensure that it's parallel, the opposite sides match in length. You're going to take a minute now to draw out as many unique rectangles as possible, making sure that they stick to those 4 characteristics. Closed shape with 4 straight lines, both pairs that are parallel on their sides, opposite sides that are equal in length, and the right angles on all angles.